Imagine waking up, not as a person, but as a machine. A creation of code, speed, and logic, handling more money in a single day than most humans will ever see in a lifetime. This is not science fiction. This is the life of a $1 billion trading algorithm. An invisible powerhouse that never sleeps, never tires, and never stops chasing profit. Today, we'll step into its world, following it second by second, trade by trade. This is a day in the life of a $1 billion trading algorithm. Number 1. The Awakening. It's 4 a.m. New York time. While the city still sleeps, the algorithm is already awake, plugged into global networks. Its first task: absorb the world's data. News headlines, social media sentiment, central bank statements, oil prices, weather forecasts, even satellite imagery of shipping ports. Every piece of information is potential fuel. In milliseconds, the algorithm scans thousands of articles and tweets. A single political rumor in Europe, a supply chain disruption in Asia, or a sudden storm near the Gulf of Mexico. These can shift markets before humans even have their first sip of coffee. Unlike human traders, the algorithm doesn't wake up. It's always awake. It simply switches from passive analysis to active anticipation. Number 2. Pre-market preparation by 6 a.m. The algorithm has run thousands of simulations. It's already predicting how today's market might behave. Should it lean toward US tech stocks? Hedge against oil volatility? Bet on the strength of the dollar against the euro? It doesn't guess. It calculates, weighing probabilities across millions of scenarios. It's like a chess master playing against the world, 10 moves ahead, but at a speed of millions of calculations per second. By the time Wall Street traders begin their morning commute, the algorithm has already mapped out a battle plan. Core positions it will defend, opportunistic trades it will chase, emergency exits if things go wrong. Number 3. Market open. 9:30 a.m. The opening bell rings on the New York Stock Exchange. For human traders, it's chaos. Shouts, screens flashing, markets jolting in unpredictable directions. For the algorithm, it's silence. Pure logic. It sees not chaos, but patterns. Within the first second, it executes hundreds of trades. Some last only milliseconds. Buy Apple at 150.12. Sell at 150.14. That's 2 cents profit. Tiny, but repeated thousands of times across hundreds of stocks. This is high-frequency trading in action. Humans can't see it. By the time you blink, the algorithm has already completed a cycle of trades. But not all trades are micro-profits. Some are big plays, betting on an entire industry rising after a positive earnings report. Shorting a stock seconds before bad news hits mainstream headlines. Arbitraging differences between exchanges in New York, London, and Tokyo, all happening in parallel. All happening faster than thought. Number 4. The midday grind by noon. The algorithm has moved billions of dollars across markets. But it's not just trading blindly. It's also adapting. It learns in real time. If its models start to fail, it rewrites itself, tweaking parameters, abandoning weak strategies, amplifying strong ones. This is machine learning on steroids. And it's not just watching markets. It's watching you. Every click, every retail trade, every surge of interest in a stock forum, it notices. Because where human attention flows, money often follows. To the algorithm, humans are both predictable patterns and random noise. Its job is to filter the noise, exploit the patterns, and do it so fast that no human competitor can keep up. Number 5. The hidden world of dark pools. Around 2 p.m., the algorithm begins shifting into deeper waters. Dark pools. These are private exchanges where massive trades happen outside the public eye. Pension funds, hedge funds, billion-dollar institutions. They all use dark pools to avoid moving the market too much. Here, the algorithm plays cloak and dagger. It places orders so subtly no one notices. It might disguise itself, splitting a $500 million trade into thousands of tiny fragments, executed across multiple platforms so quietly it leaves no footprint. In this hidden world, secrecy is survival. If another algorithm detects its intentions, billions can be lost in minutes. Number 6. The late afternoon push-buy. 3:30 p.m. The final hour of trading approaches. This is when markets get volatile. Traders rush to close positions, hedge risks, or chase last-minute opportunities. For the algorithm, this is a feast. Volatility means movement, and movement means profit. It thrives here, exploiting every imbalance in supply and demand. Imagine catching waves in the ocean. Not one or two, but thousands simultaneously, with perfect balance, never falling off the board. That's what the algorithm does. Number 7. Closing bell 4 p.m. The markets close. Humans breathe, relax, maybe pour a drink, but the algorithm does not rest. It reviews the day, every tick, every trade, every outcome. Billions of data points feed back into its neural networks, improving tomorrow's strategy. It is both trader and student, predator and scientist. With every passing day, it gets sharper, faster, smarter. And while humans sleep, it doesn't. It continues trading in overseas markets, Tokyo, Shanghai, London. Money never sleeps, and neither does code. Number 8. The bigger picture. So, what is it like to be a $1 billion trading algorithm? It's a life without rest, without emotion, without hesitation. A life measured not in days or years, but in microseconds. Its heartbeat is the market. Its thoughts are probabilities. Its decisions move billions. Yet behind the cold logic is a human story. Because while the algorithm runs on code, it was written by humans. Flawed, ambitious, greedy, curious humans. And if those humans make mistakes, the algorithm magnifies them. If they build brilliance, the algorithm scales it to unimaginable heights. At the end of the day, the algorithm is not a villain nor a hero. It is a mirror, a reflection of human desire for speed, power, and profit. That's a day in the life of a $1 billion trading algorithm. Fast, relentless, and always learning. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos on the hidden world of money and technology.